In this video, we introduce a powerful dashboard designed to help the editorial team navigate complex research data with ease. By analyzing large data sets and leveraging authoritative sources like OpenAlex and PubMed, this tool provides clear insights into author expertise, publication impact, and research integrity. It identifies risks, verifies affiliations, and empowers prompt, well-informed editorial decisions. Let's see how it transforms complex data into actionable intelligence, supporting the highest standards of journal credibility. On the left is the list of authors, and on the right is their research data populated from various databases. Hover to see the details. You can zoom in and out like this. Mouse over here to see the details. Again, mouse over reveals more information. Individual affiliations are shown in the form of a graph on the left and in the form of a table on the right. View the reference distribution by year. Click on the bar graph for detailed statistics. You can also filter the information by a specific author.